Hey friends, I hope y'all are having a fantastic day today. If you're new here, my name's Alicia and today's video is part of the Pumpkin Palooza collaboration hosted by Andrea from Digging for Health, and I will leave her channel and the playlist linked in the description box for y'all. Today we are making pumpkin cinnamon raisin swirl bread. Say that 10 times fast. So I started out with half a cup of milk, half a cup of pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of butter. You might have recognized that footage from yesterday. It's because I used it, the same one yesterday, because it was exactly the same. And to that hot mixture, I'm going to add half a cup of raisins, let it cool, then add 1 1/4 or close to 1 1/2 teaspoons of rapid rise yeast. Now to that mixture, you will add 2 1/2 to 3 cups of flour, and then on top of that, you'll do a good pinch of salt. I once read that if you add the salt directly with your yeast, that it can inactivate your yeast. So if I remember to, then I will add it on top of the flour. I don't know if that's true or not, but either way, then once you get as mixed as you can in your bowl, you'll want to get it out on your counter and with some flour and knead it until whenever you poke it, it kind of bounces back a little bit. And now we're going to work on our filling. We have half a stick of butter or margarine, and then half a cup of brown sugar, and then probably about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and then we're going to add raisins. So we're going to add about half a cup of raisins. I added just a smidge more than half a cup. We're going to give this a good mix, and then we will roll out our dough. And I actually was trying to make it to where mine wasn't too long, but I ended up making it too long anyways. I have a smaller loaf pan, or I feel like it's kind of smaller or shorter, and it ended up being too long, and I folded in the sides, and I wish I would have just like cut it in half and made 2 loaves, but you'll see. It still turned out really beautiful, and it tasted amazing, and that's really all that counts is the taste. But I just wish that I would have made 2 loaves instead of 1, because it did kind of leak out a little bit, the filling, because of the folding, I feel. But anyways, once we get it rolled up and in our pan, we are going to let it rise until it's at least doubled. Another reason that I wish I would have cut it in half is because where I folded it, it made it taller, so it made like this really apparent dip in the middle. But anyways, we're going to let it rise and then bake it in the oven at 400 for about 45 minutes. I would say 30 to 45 minutes. And this is what it looked like after it was done. And this is the center of it. It was gorgeous and delicious. Always remember that Jesus loves y'all, and I love y'all too. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon. Bye.